father, as a brother, as an uncle, who touched the lives of the Filipino people. Ladies and gentlemen, he was my uncle. And when we were going through a family crisis, we had an incident in the family. We came to him and he supported us, he guided us. That's how good he is. He would be very welcoming, very accommodating. And after the incident, he would follow through. So he supports us every step of the way until the problem was solved. Ang masasabi ko lang is, si Tito touched the lives of every Filipino people. Ang ginawa niya talaga para sa bayan. Sabi nga namin, hindi ka Pilipino kung hindi mo alam or hindi mo alam ang kantang Anak. At hindi ka Pilipino kung hindi mo kilala si Freddy Aguilar. Even the younger generation knows him through his music. So, Tito, thank you for your legacy. You have touched the lives of many Filipino people here and abroad. So, naibsan ang kalungkutan ng mga Pilipino. Yun ang legacy na iniwan niya para sa bayan, para sa bansa. And sir, with respect to the military honors given to him, he was not given such today because of the time constraints. As he is still in the process of being the national artist, and in the meantime, sir, he was given a plaque as a legacy for his contribution to his music. So, to follow na sir yung mga recognition by the National Commission for the Culture and the Arts. And I was given the information that Tita Aida will set up a museum and a foundation for the talented kids, indigent talented kids, and then they will be welcome to share their talents, and it will be supported by the foundation. So once again, thank you for coming, thank you for your support, and yung katulad nga ng sinabi ni Father, ipagdasal natin si Tito. He is now smiling from above. Yan ang gusto-gusto niya. He would be very glad to know that we are all here supporting him, cheering for him, crying for him, and I'm sure kumakanta na siya ng anak sa itaas kasi tinanggap na siya na anak ni Jesucristo and ni Allah. So, thank you sirs and ma'ams, and once again, thank you for coming, and let's continue to pray for Tito.